Hey, this video is going to go over how to fix a outlet that is not working. So first thing you want to do is kind of identify, is it an issue with the outlet itself or is it an issue with whatever device you have plugged in? So I would definitely take something like a phone charger, plug it in the outlet, see if the, charger is working. So whatever device you have, maybe that device is not working. So if you rule that out and you know that the outlet is not working, essentially the next thing you want to do is go to, down to your basement or really wherever your electrical box is housed. So ours is down in the finished basement. You just want to open it up. And from here, you can check to see if there are any of these breakers switched over. So if there is, it would be either in the middle or over to the left. So you can see that all of mine right now are lined up appropriately. This side on the left is to the right, this side on the right is to the left. So basically look for anyone that looks out of place. If you see one, very simple, you just need to flick it and then flick it back. So basically just like flicking a light switch, and that's basically going to reset the breaker. Now, if you ever are curious, you can see mine are labeled here. There may be a little diagram here that goes over in more detail the names, and not all houses have these depending on the one that was built and what the previous people did. But they have a number and it lines up essentially with the list of breakers. So you can see number 1 here is the dryer. So, if I needed to know to set that one, I could redo that. Also at the top here, this is your master one. So this is gonna shut everything off and back on. Some people recommend unplugging some appliances and stuff before you do this. I didn't necessarily do it and everything was okay, but it could be something you may want to do. So that's the second step. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing you want to do is check any of your GCFI outlets. So these may or may not be in all houses. Again, this is a newer thing for houses, and primarily it's in areas where you could get the outlet wet. And basically this is essentially a fail-safe. In case it gets wet, it can help shut it off so no one gets shocked. So you'll see there's a test and a reset. So basically you want to go around the house and hit all of the resets. The issue at our house is we had 2 outside outlets that were not working, as well as a porch light. So we reset the breaker and it fixed the porch light, but the one light that we plug our Christmas tree lights into still isn't working. And additionally, a back porch light was working. So we found it was actually a GCFI outlet in the upstairs bathroom that we just had to go and hit reset, which then fixed both of the 2 lights on the porch, front and back porch, that weren't working. So, electricity can be somewhat complicated. It may be a different source than you would think. So go around the house, kind of reset all the GCFI outlets, and that may fix your problem. That's what fixed our problem in this case, and it was an easy fix. So first thing, check to make sure that it's not the actual appliance that you have plugged in that is broke. So you can test that by using something else. So if you confirm that the outlet actually is not working, then you can go reset the breaker. The next thing you can do is reset any of the GCFI outlets. If you do that, there is more things. It could be just a broken outlet itself. So that is a little bit more in depth. You actually need to shut the power off to the outlet, take the screws out, and maybe you need to actually replace the thing itself. So that's a completely different video. But for now, that was a couple simple solutions, 2 ways to do it. So try that. And if it still doesn't work, we can check out another video where we'll show you how to replace the outlet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.